Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money working from home. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and consider subscribing. And today I'm going to share with you an app that claims to pay people just cash. They don't do gift cards or anything like that. They strictly pay cash. So I was pretty excited to share this app with you guys. And if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and stay tuned. And also don't forget to check out the gift card giveaway that we are doing for Valentine's Day. The details are going to be in the description below this video, so go ahead and check that out if you are interested. Now, the name of this app is called Money App. Excuse me. And this is what it looks like. This is what the logo looks like. And all this information that they provide right here, whenever you need assistance with an app or anything like that, you can come here and use this information to your advantage and actually be able to contact the people who develop the app and ask them for help or anything if you're stuck. And so this app is rated 4.7. If you're interested, you can come and read the reviews and kind of like just do your little research and see if it's something that you would like to try out. And we're gonna go ahead and read a little bit about it. It says make money with #1 rewards app, easy cash for trying free apps. Try the best rewards app. Get money for watching videos, completing surveys, playing free games, testing free services, giving opinions, endorsements, free trials, new tasks and features updated daily so you never run out of money making opportunities. Money making on your spare time. Easy cash for trying free apps. You can earn cash from anywhere and can dedicate as much or as little time as you want. There are no complicated commissions. And best of all, it's fun and quick. A quick way to make a few extra bucks. Money app pays better and faster than other reward apps. No gift cards or discounts. You are paid hard cash in your PayPal account. So like I said, they excuse me, they do claim that they only pay hard cash, no gift cards, gift codes, or anything like that. So I don't know. And it says here, how does it work? It says complete tasks to accumulate credit rewards, redeem your credits for cash via PayPal. More options coming soon. Get paid in 2 to 3 working days. Start earning money now. Download the app. There are just a few rules you need to follow in order to avoid any problems and suspensions. Don't create multiple and or fake accounts. Don't use VPNs or proxies to fake your IP address or location. Don't try to change your device ID. Do not spam with your referral code. Money app team will suspend accounts that don't comply with these rules. Okay, so they do have a few rules that are pretty simple rules to follow. So yeah, this is what the app looks like in the Google Play Store. I'm actually going to go ahead and put the link to this app for Android devices. And if they have, I'm not sure if they have for iOS devices, but I'm going to go ahead and find it. And if they do have it, I will go ahead and put the link below this video so you can just click on it and be directed to this app and see if it's something that you will be interested in. I'm gonna go ahead and open the app. I already installed the app on my phone. I have not install any apps or anything. I have not. It says congratulations. Okay, so they do have like an attendance rewards where you can earn 20 points. They do have apps that you can download in order for you to earn points. They have games and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and look at the rewards. Okay, so for um for $5 you need 5,000 points. For $10, 10,000 points. $20, 20,000. And for $50 you need 50,000 points. So I don't know, it seems pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy, but I'm not sure. Like I said, I've never used this app. I just heard about it and just wanted to share it with you guys, only because it's one of the first apps that I've heard that pays only hard cash, and they don't pay with gift cards or gift codes or anything like that. So yeah, this is what the app looks like. I did sign up with my Facebook account, so I didn't have to go through like a long process to fill out. But if you want, they do give you an option to sign up with your Gmail or an email address. And so yeah, if that is something that, if you are interested in this app, this is what it looks like. And it will be something really good to, just earn a few bucks on the side on your spare time whenever you're at lunch, or if you're a stay-at-home parent, whenever you get a little break, or if you're a student when you have a bit of free time. This will be really helpful. Now, but if you are interested in learning how to make long-term passive income to change your life, to change your future, go ahead and check out the link below this video. I will go ahead and share more details in regards to that with you. Now, if the content of this video helped you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the video. And for more content like this, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, say hi to us, comment, like us on our page on Facebook. Step up your game plan. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in the description of this video as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, experience, or anything with this app, don't hesitate to leave us a comment and let us know. That way we learn a little bit more about the app as well. So thank you so much for your time, and until next time.